breaking disaster that has occurred to celebrities, to the normal people. It has left everybody in tears. So here we go, as DDG found out he doesn't have insurance after his house was damaged in the Los Angeles fire. That is the wildfire. So we get to see that DDG finds out he doesn't have fire insurance on his Los Angeles home that was affected by the Los Angeles wildfire. So definitely DDG is in shock and heartbreaking after the insurance, and he has to evacuate soon. So definitely DDG's home was also damaged due to the Los Angeles fire. They cancelled everyone's insurance anyway, so even if he had it, he would probably be dropped. If he has a mortgage, then he has insurance. Baby car going back. Other saying that praying for everybody.